All right, so it's radiator day, and we're using, let's see if this shows up. Rust-Oleum Universal Metallic. What color is that, Maggie?
This is rose gold.
Okay. Why?
Because it kind of fits the theme of our salon. I just think it'll brighten them up and make them stand out. Since you have to have radiators, you might as well make them.
Why do you get to talk on camera and the other girls always have to work?
It's because this is it's me show.
It's the me show.
The most important. This is my journey, and everyone's
So it's
along
Karee,
for the ride.
Caitlin, Maggie, everybody's ready to go. So you're taping it off. I'm spraying.
Anybody know where the tape is?
No.
Maybe. Oh, maybe.
Oh, it should be in with the tools.
I looked there.
Really? Okay. Okay, so Maggie, you're edging, 2 rolling. Is there an extra brush?
Corey's edging, I'm edging.
Oh, you're edging. I thought you were rolling too. All right.
Figured 2 edgers is as fast as 1 roller.
Probably as fast as you can move, yeah. Okay, great. Let's pan back. Do that time lapse also.